To start configuring the fire alarm panel, we need to access level 3 of configuring. The default password is 333,000, 333. All 6 loops are located on top right corner of the screen. To configure the disair loop, you need to select it. First button is to turn on the module of the loop. The second one is to power on the loop. In the Initialization menu, you can read the loop parameters. In our case, we have 3 devices. Here you can manual address as well. The option for manual addressing is manual and semi-automatic. Back to the loop menu, we have Device button. In this menu, you can set the zone for each chosen device. Also, to set device sensitivity. With the arrows, you can switch between devices in this loop. The buttons on and enable are for turn off the device or disable it. They show the current stat of the device. Next button is for monitoring the device parameters. All device parameters are shown in this area. The buttons on the bottom side are Fire. In here, you can see if there is any fire in any loop and to see all the information of it. Second is the Faults button. In that menu, all faults of the panel or the loops will be listed in it. Third menu is Disable List. In here, you can disable device, zones, or outs. If you have something disabled, the menu will light up in orange to show you that you have disabled something. Fourth menu is Test. In this menu, you can test zone for fire without turning all sirens. Fifth menu is Zones. In that menu are all configuration for the zone. In the home screen, there is the Archive menu. In it, you can see every log that the panel registered. The panel menu contains all the information of the fire alarm panel, and if you have more panels connected, you can see their information as well. Diagnostics menu contains all the information of the addressable panel. In Settings menu, we have button to return the panel to default parameters. Can clear the archive if you need it. To set the time also. If you hold, the I button will show all passwords that are set for level access 2 and 3. And the last option of this menu is to choose desired language.